In 60 seconds, install a Mac SSD into an external enclosure, step by step. Prepare these tools, screwdriver set, an anti-static mat, and the compatible enclosure and cable. Inspect your SSD. Gold contacts face the connector, the label faces up, note the notch orientation. Open the enclosure, remove screws and slide the cover, keeping small parts secure. Insert the SSD into the M.2 slot at a shallow angle until the contacts seat fully. Gently press the SSD down and fasten the retention screw finger tight, roughly 1.5 Newton meters. Apply an included thermal pad or spacer if your enclosure recommends it. Reinstall the cover and tighten screws evenly, avoiding over-torque that can damage the board. Connect a USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 cable for best Mac compatibility and speed. Plug the enclosure into your Mac and open Disk Utility to verify the drive is detected. If new, initialize the drive as APFS for macOS or exFAT for cross-platform use. Eject safely, run a quick read/write test, and your external SSD is ready to use.